everybody, how we doing today? Sorry it's been a while since you've seen many vacuum videos. There just really is not a lot of new stuff coming out. However, I do have one here. This is the Yeedi Cube, and it is a all-in-one robot mop and vacuum. And they wanted me to do a comparison video against the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. So as you can tell, the obvious big difference is the Yeedi has a mopping attachment that has a onboard water tank as well as a self-washing plate in the dock that will keep your mopping pad clean. As you see, the J7 Plus doesn't have any type of mopping whatsoever. And they're both right at the same price point. The J7 Plus is $699 and the Yeedi is $699, and they will be having sales, whereas both of these typically can be found around 600 bucks. Both of them do self-empty, which is great. I think that's a must-have on any robot vacuum nowadays. So the Yeedi itself has a onboard tank, as you see, and that will flood the mopping pad with water as it goes around, keeping it nice and moist and ensuring that it's cleaning every inch that it goes over. Both of them use a camera as far as the navigation. Personally, I still like LiDAR better, but it does an okay job. It's better than nothing. This one has a onboard dirty water tank. And what that does is after it's cleaning the mopping pads that's built in, it will suck the water out of this basin down here and put it up into this tank. So they will fill that with water, and then the pad on the bottom will vibrate. I believe it's 2,500 times per minute, and do a very good job of cleaning those mopping pads off. So you don't really ever have to remove the pads and throw them in your washing machine or anything like that, like other robot vacuums. So once again, this is the dirty water tank. Under here is the self-empty bag. So that's where all the debris goes as it goes around in vacuums. Good size bag. I believe it's the same exact size bag that's in here. They'll both do up to 60 days worth of cleaning before you have to replace this.
Starting charging.
All right, so there's 27,000 PA suction in that motor, sucking it out of the robot. So let's pull it out and see if it got all that debris out. So which one does a better job vacuuming? They're both pretty good. They're both on par with each other, especially on carpet. This one on the right, the Yeedi, has much more powerful suction. The iRobot just has dual rollers, which also does a very good job on hard floors and carpet. So I'd say it's pretty close comparison on the clean. Of course, the iRobot, no mop whatsoever. So if you have any type of mopping mess, you have to have this Yeedi. The Yeedi will also hot air dry the mopping pads at 104 degrees. So after a couple of hours, it'll be completely dry. You don't have to worry about any type of stench or growing of bacteria on the pad, which is nice. The Yeedi all-in-one base station is also very easy to clean. Just remove the robot, and this entire platform built in can slide out, and you just take it over to your sink and rinse off. So very easy. Another thing this one offers is when it does go on carpet, it'll lift the mopping pads 8 millimeters, so you don't have to worry about it rubbing up against the carpet with a wet mopping pad. It lifts it just enough to where it just glides over it and doesn't get it wet. Both of them can make maps, and you can tell each one to go clean a certain room in your house. This one does have carpet boost that automatically increases the suction whenever it senses carpet. Alrighty, that's basically all the information on these two units. So it really comes down to, do you want a mop to go around and clean? If so, your obvious choice is the Yeedi Cube. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and show you a couple of clips of the Yeedi Cube cleaning. And I've tested both of these thoroughly, and they're both about the same on carpet and hard floors. So just to give you a demonstration, I'll show off the Yeedi now. All right, here it is on hard floors. Put down some Fruity Pebbles, quite a bit of it. And it does a pretty good job overall. This is pretty common to leave a little bit left behind for this type of mess, but it'll get on the next run. Almost all robots will leave some behind. Here's a quick demo of it mopping. Put down some ranch and some Gatorade. Actually does a really good job. Much more detailed information in the actual review video on this. So if you want to see more cleaning and a lot more information, go ahead and check that out. But overall, does a very good job mopping and did a very good job there. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see anything else specific on either one of these, let me know down in the comments. Please do me a favor, like this video and subscribe. And what do you think? If you can get this guy for sale for $5.99, do you think it's a bargain? It's definitely the cheapest one out there that does everything in one. But is it the best? I have to do more testing to tell you that. Alright guys, you all have a great day and thanks for watching. See ya.